Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are doing unboxing of boAt AirPod 117 blue color. So this is we purchased from Amazon. So we are opening the package now. It's a pretty secure pouch and have plenty of instructions which you should follow. So here you go. Looks good. And it is covered with polythene. So let's cut it. So here is the box and we are now taking it out. So I think it's push one. So here, let's open it. So the person sent its visiting card with its 1-year warranty. Here is the case, I believe. Yes. So the case is also covered with a little bit of protective shield, not a protective shield but a polythene. And here is the charging port from where we can charge it. And if we open it, here's the AirPod 1, the charging points, and AirPod 2. So you see the moment you take them out, their light starts to blink that they are ready to pair, but as instructed we're gonna charge the case first. So here's the little bit of instructions on it. Let's see what else we got inside the case apart from boAt AirPod. So some good foam, and oh, they do have matching color cushions for the ears. One more set, a charging cable which I will use someday, and a little bit of manual. No, I don't think so it's a manual. No, it's something boAt, so their products and all that. And finally here is the manual, which I believe nobody reads in India, but still manual looks good. It gives detailed instruction about how to pair it with your mobile, so, and how to use it also. It says how to put and how to use, so it looks good. It's in English. So it also have some features which is mentioned, that it's basic function, voice assistant, others. Basic functions, voice assistance, smart power off, factory reset, connection problem with solution, troubleshooting, specifications. So it got some good manual. So in the end, let's sum up what we received. We received a box, manual, data cable, extra ear connectors, boAt of course with earbuds, and warranty card, and some kind of Team 11, their product details. So that's all we received. So thank you once again for watching the video. And if you like it, I request you to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.